Just recently, I went to an event called World Create Day, where I watched a guy build a 3D printed robot with the help of some young kids. All the robot parts, besides the inside electronics, were 3D printed with this Dremel 3D printer. Even the outer casing of the remote control, along with the buttons, were 3D printed. 3D printing is a fascinating process. It's fun to just sit here and stare at the 3D printer doing its thing, but maybe I'm just easily amused. Watching the 3D printed robot get powered on was a special moment. It almost seemed like I was watching an animal gain sentience and try to figure out what it is and why it's here.
We chose the more fun team.
And like frustrating. Horns out. And now it's failing.
Well, and this thing is just fit
Yeah, the horns out.
Yeah, they're just popping out of there.
Yeah, they all popped out. Not all, but a lot of them have. Like,
Well, this is it. Just testing.
Are you being claptrap from Borderlands? It's the seizure I'm talking about.
Dancing. So something's wrong with those.
so right, we're just gonna zero them out.
Oh, this one's not even in.
Oh my.
Okay, cover it inside.
Well, hang on. We've got to put.
Fine. This is just for.
It's my new dance move. What are you doing?
When you put that on, it's just like everything. The problem is you don't know what it's supposed to be doing. It doesn't look like it should be doing that.
Something.
Its movements seemed oddly lifelike. It reminded me very much of my pet hermit crabs I used to have.
Well, I tried to start a live video on Instagram and was using the front-facing camera for like 30 seconds of it. And then Lucy tried to join it, and it's just a picture of like some Venetian blinds. And she also figured out that we weren't looking at anything. And then I figured out how to make it.
This was a cool little event, and I'll be on the lookout for more interesting meetups like this in the future.
Well, it's probably on the actual Arduino board. They have sound like things.
Low battery.
Hey, can it do the Cupid shuffle? He says yeah.
And apparently this 3D printed robot was a kit you can order online. Mail time! Okay, so I just got some more keshi in the mail. I got a Griffin figure from the Monster in My Pocket line, and I got He-Man, Man-at-Arms, and Beast-Man from the Super 7 M.U.S.C.L.E line, and also from Super 7. I got a couple of lavender He-Man muscle figures. I got Spycore and Stratos, and I think this lavender color might be like a Nerd Block exclusive pack. I'm not really sure about that, but I know they're not the standard figures they sell on the website, I don't think. And it seems like the black figures may be from maybe some kind of special edition too. But anyways, usually I order these kind of figures on eBay, but I actually got these by doing a trade, and I am super happy with these. So my favorite figure from this trade has got to be this Spycore figure here. Not only does he really capture the style of those old 80s muscle figures, but it's also a very familiar character to me because when I was growing up, a lot of people had these He-Man toys, and I remember my next door neighbor had like one of the old Spycore He-Man action figures, and I always thought he was super cool. Just a really interesting character design. I just love the little bumpy spikes all over him, and then just the cool pitchfork hand thing he's got going on.